As a parent, hearing your child cough can be really unsettling, can't it? Many coughs are just signs of a common cold, but sometimes, a cough can point to something more persistent like asthma. Learning to distinguish between them can give you valuable peace of mind. When it comes to coughs that might suggest asthma in your child, pay close attention to patterns that are chronic, dry, and often occur at specific times. These include a persistent cough lasting more than 2 to 3 weeks, a dry cough that does not produce mucus, and nighttime coughing that wakes your child from sleep. The underlying reason these cough patterns are noteworthy is linked to how asthma affects the airways. Asthma is a chronic condition where the airways become inflamed and narrowed, making breathing difficult. A cough is often the body's way of trying to clear these irritated airways, even when there is no mucus to expel. This inflammation can be triggered by things like allergens, cold air, or even exercise, leading to the characteristic asthmatic cough. To help figure out if your child's cough might be related to asthma, carefully observe its characteristics. Make a note of when the cough occurs, such as mainly at night or after physical activity. Consider if it is worse when your child is exposed to certain things, like pet dander or pollen. Also, notice if the cough seems to linger long after a cold has otherwise cleared up, or if it is accompanied by wheezing or shortness of breath. This detailed information will be incredibly helpful for your pediatrician. Sometimes, a cough can be the only asterisk symptom of asthma in children, a condition known as cough variant asthma. In these cases, your child might not experience classic wheezing or shortness of breath. Instead, they might just have a persistent, dry cough that becomes more noticeable after exercise, during laughter, or when exposed to cold air or certain smells. Understanding this specific type of asthma symptom is an important detail for parents. Recognizing these particular cough characteristics empowers you to have a more informed conversation with your doctor. Early identification and proper management of asthma can significantly improve your child's quality of life, allowing them to breathe easier and participate fully in all their favorite activities.